Hello guys, in this new video I'm going to show you how to buy a product on TikTok shop. So the first thing you want to do here is open the TikTok app. Next you are going to tap on shop below your screen on the left and you'll be redirected to this page. So you'll be able to buy multiple products here of your choice. So let me say I want to buy this watch. I'm going to tap on it. Next I'm just going to tap on it again, and now what we are going to do is tap below on the button add to basket. And now I'm going to take the pink color and then we can add the quantity here, and after doing that we are going to tap below on add to basket. So next we are going to tap below on the screen on go to basket. We are going to tap on go to basket. So what we are going to do here is tap on add an address, and now you are going to enter your different information and then tap below on save. And next you are going to choose your payment method. So you are going to see here Apple Pay, credit/debit card. You are going to see Klarna and ClearPay. So you are going to choose your payment method, and now at the end below on your screen you are going to tap on place order. So next you are going to proceed with the payment, and you'll be able to, and next you are going to receive your product at the shipping address you've just entered here. So if you have a specific product that you want to buy on TikTok shop, all you can do here or something else you can do is tap on the bar above your screen and then research the product you want to buy. Maybe you want to buy an iPhone case. You can just enter here iPhone case. You are going to search for it. So you are just going to see here the different result, and then you are going to proceed the same way I've just shown you. You are going to add this to your basket and then proceed with the payment.